All right, for everyone that's been curious, this is the big bad boy. I mean, this thing is huge. This comes up to almost my waist. Again, I'm not the tallest person in the world, but this thing is huge. So for everyone curious what the sound is, let's get the sounds up. Let's see. We got, turn it on. I got speed 1. We got an ionizer on speed 1. Once it ramps up, give me a second. You can barely hear it. Speed 2. Okay, in a moment. It's a little louder. You step away, you're not going to be hearing this. Speed 3. Step away, still don't hear it. And let's see speed 4. Max speed here. Now this is louder. Sounds like it's a big fan, or not a big fan, but it sounds like there's just air blowing. Even at level 4, if I had my radio on in the background, TVs, I don't think it's very loud. For this big boy, I'm probably gonna leave it at level 4 running in the office. So hope that helps people out.